Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making a small and quick chicken stew. In the pot here I have just half kilo of chicken, which I've added some chopped onions, curry powder, adding some thyme. I have here some garlic and ginger powder, which I've also added, some seasoning cubes. I have just that little bay leaf remaining. If you have more, you can add up to 2. I stir everything together, cover and allow to boil for some minutes before I add more water. After cooking the meat, I then fry or grill. For today, I'm frying it. Some other time, I can grill it. So, do any one you want or you like or you prefer. Thank you. Here I have boiled some tomatoes and pepper, fresh pepper, which I'm going to blend. Now that we have prepared everything, we start frying the stew. Adding some onions. Ignore the foaming oil. I'm using the same oil which I used in frying the chicken. I added there some garlic and ginger paste. Check it, I have how to make garlic and ginger paste in my video. I'm adding some tomato paste, just a little of that. Stir together. I then add the blended fresh pepper and tomatoes, which I boiled earlier. I mix everything together, then cover and allow to boil. It's been boiling for some time. Then I stir and add the chicken stock from the chicken I boiled earlier. I stir everything together, then test for salt. If you don't have enough salt and seasoning, you add more according to your taste. So here I'm adding some seasoning cube again. And some salt. And then I add the fried chicken to the stew. And our chicken stew is ready. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I also added some scent leaf to it. I don't know what happened in this show.